Welcome back, Epicurean Kitchen, pecan-crusted chicken. Yummy, and it goes so great with that Indulge, which has complex and elegant flavors. Let's get into it and let's have some fun. First and foremost, we're gonna mix our crushed pecans into a bowl here. This is our crusting mix. Our fresh thyme leaves, some flour, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, and our crusting mix. Mixture of coriander seeds and sumac, perfect for what we're doing today. All right, let's get a little teaspoon and a half in there. And let's hit it with some pepper. Beautiful, okay. Give it a little stir. It's really nice too to have some of those big chunks mixed with the smaller chunks and pecans. Kind of gives it a nice little cool texture break. Okay, we're gonna set that aside. Now we're gonna bring forward our fresh buttermilk and our 2 chicken breasts right here. They're gonna take a nice little swim in there. Just kind of drag it through there, let everything coat really nicely. Delicious. And just kind of let it come off it a little bit, and then straight into the crusting mix. And here, we're just making sure the chicken gets covered correctly. You can impress a little bit the pecans in the chicken. Delightful. Beautiful. Just like that. Okay, let's do the other one. Beautiful. We crusted our last chicken breast right there. Look at that. Looks so yummy. And right before we put them in the oven, we want to use our Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil. This stuff, I'm sure you guys all know it's amazing. Give it a little fat on top of it. Yummy. Mouth is watering already. All right, let's get them in. Chicken's in the oven. Now we're going to put together our honey mustard. And all we do there is, you guessed it, we mix our honey and our mustard. Just put it in top there. Just going to mix this up until all that mustard's emulsified in with that honey, and then we're going to set it aside, because once the chicken comes out and that brie gets all melted over those pecans is when the honey comes into play. The honey and Dijon mustard is mixed. Chicken's been in for about a half an hour. Let's give it a look. Oh, absolutely delightful. Okay, we're going to pour on a little bit more than half that honey over these chickens. And then we're going to go on with some brie. We got the honey Dijon all over these beautifully crusted pecan chicken breast. I just put some fresh brie on there. Now we're going to go back into our 400-degree oven for about 3 to 4 minutes until that cheese just drapes and gives that chicken a nice warm hug for this fall time dish. Let's go. All right, we got the chicken in, that brie's just melting over it. You know, one thing I do want to say when you're doing these recipes, have fun, slow yourself down, season every step of the way, get those hips into it, and just have a blast. Let's check our chicken. Oh yeah, look at that. The brie draped over it beautifully. I'm going to take off one of these chicken breasts. Oh yeah. All right, we landed it, and let's cut it in about 4 pieces so each person can take a piece if you're having a dinner or a lunch with somebody. Let's get. Oh yeah. All this honey and juice gets caught on the bottom of your pan. You can always give it a little top. Yummy. And then I have some extra honey to go on top of that. This dish screams fall time. I'm gonna garnish it just with some rosemary leaves right here. Perfect for this time of year. Of course, it's gonna go great with that honey. Put a couple down. And then the 2022 Indulge, it's so complex. It just loves dishes like this.